Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to yet another episode. And today, as the thumbnail says, and you guys must be knowing by now, I am going to use minimal makeup product to see how much can I change my look. And if you don't know how much can I change my look, it's like a trend going on right now. You will find multiple videos wherein people do a lot of stuff to change their look overnight or at that moment instantly. So yeah, I'm going to do a simple version of this, like which is more relatable as to what we can do or what I can do with simple stuff, with using simple makeup and stuff to change my look. If you're ready for the video, then continue watching. And before that, you know the drill: like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Now, let's get started. So let's get started. And the first step, as you can see, I have just tied up my hair into a bun because that might come into the way of doing some makeup. And the first thing first, like I always say, I am not a makeup junkie, but I am definitely a skincare junkie, and I believe the skin care is essential. It could be done both by having a proper diet, exercise, lifestyle, and also using certain products which will help your skin to repair. So my favorite moisturizer has to be this one from Venusia. I have talked about it a lot many times. So I'm going to start by moisturizing my face, which is very important. I take a little bit. Don't do like this. The moisturizer actually gets into your palm and nothing is left for your face. You can warm it up a little bit, and yeah, like I always say, dab 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 dab. I don't know, I have this dab 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 thing. I mean, that works so good. Yeah, it's a thick moisturizer actually. So basically a occlusive for your all the serums and stuff that you might have used. So it's a great occlusive for your skin. Occlusive, that means it will all just retain all the moisture and stuff. It could be combined with hyaluronic acid when you just want that instant glow onto your skin. I combine it at night with a niacinamide gel for as a spot treatment for this stuff, the marks that I have. So yeah, it's great. I mean, see, if you see now, the skin looks a lot more shiny than it was and glowy. Okay, now, okay, fun fact, I'll start off with my concealer. This is from Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser in the shade Ivory 100 it is. And the fun fact what I was going to tell you is that I don't use foundation on my skin. Like very rarely I do use it. I just spot correct with this one. And guys, this is essential, and this much can actually change your look in few moments. Okay, so I'll just take my small mirror and yeah, a little bit on the under eye part, not too much, just a little bit. And I need to stock up on this one, I think, from the Nykaa sale which is going on right now. Let's see. It was priced at somewhat 465. There was a slash down of the price. So yeah, now is a great time to grab anything from Nykaa. It's not I'm sponsoring, but most of the products I buy from Nykaa because it's like a easy site to get your hands on, and I consider their products to be genuine also. However, I do scan the barcode because there's a lot of controversy going on. Yeah, that's it. However, I have never received any out of the box product or products which are not genuine from Nykaa. So yeah, I just use my finger, for that, because I don't want any instant glam up. And yeah, you can see like face looks a bit brighter than it was previously. Okay, so the next very important step that I'm going to do is just take this eyeshadow palette. I don't use much of eyeshadow palette, only some days when I like feel, especially while I'm making this video. And since the video is all about changing my look, how much I can do with minimal makeup products, so I'm going to take this is from Maybelline New York Lemonade Craze palette, and I'm just gonna take this shade right over here. This is the shade I use mostly if I have to use this brown neutral shade. I don't know, I have a love for these neutrals. You can say I love neutrals. So I'll just use my finger. I'll take just a little bit this much, and see, I'll just yeah, crease over the top everywhere. Just basically fill in this blank so that whenever I put the lip color and stuff, the eyes don't look too blank. I'm taking a little bit more and I'm doing the same in the other eye. Yeah, you can see very well how, and it's like very pigmented. It's a very good palette to invest in, like better than those Nykaa palettes. Like honestly, I even have the Nykaa palettes, but Maybelline does the game really well. So yeah, that's it. Can you see this? It might look weird right now, but honestly, trust me, trust the process. Okay, next up, again, one important step. I think it's a total game changer. I started doing this last year, like 2020, and it has been a total game changer. So yeah, this is eyebrow pencil from Nykaa. I have one more. This is from Elf, if you see, and this is from Nykaa, their Brow Chica Wow range. Like Brow Chica Wow, I love this, but mostly it's like so popular, it's out of stock. So I got my hands on Elf. However, I still continue using this one. So you see, this is like, and yeah. So this is, I'll just use it to just brush the eyebrows. See. Yeah. Now with this, I'll just fill in the spaces. I don't make over dramatic brows anytime. That's like every day when you go out and you're not your tag is not only an influencer but also a normal person. So just making those brows too much dramatic could be like something I'm not very comfortable about. If you are comfortable about it, definitely you can go on. Okay, that's everybody's personal choice. Makeup is personal choice, right? So yeah, see, this is like time taking process. I just honestly, and my eyebrows are not that good. I mean, those are like straight as, I don't know, the horizon. So yeah, I just fill it up. Honestly, I've seen a lot of people doing this so well. I have been doing this for a year as of now, and I still think I have got a lot of skill to learn about it. So it's all about practice and a little bit of knowledge. Knowledge plays a big time role to select the shade, what would suit on your skin, and you shouldn't look alien and stuff like that. I mean, if you want to look alien, that's fine. That's your choice, of course. Because nowadays we can't even comment like that. So yeah. But personally, for me, I wouldn't like want to look like an alien. Okay, I can do it like this, I guess. If you see this blends in so well. Can you see, guys? Okay, see now I like try to keep it as much as natural as possible. So yeah, that is it. See, okay, I'm quite happy with the result. And yeah, after this, the only thing left about eye is mascara. So if you ask me, 3 makeup products that I swear by are the eyebrow pencil, the mascara, and lip color. I mean, I cannot like go to any workplace without these 3 things, and I don't need anything other than these 3 things for, even if I have to go to a party or somewhere. I mean, I'm very comfortable with these things because my skincare regimen has given me the confidence to go without makeup any place. So yeah, and that actually requires a lot of research and a lot of experiment on your own skin. So I have been doing that since class 7, when I had no clue about ingredient and stuff. Nowadays internet offers you a lot of information. There are a lot of beautiful people out there who are always guiding the teenage. One such person is Hiram. I love Hiram. So Hiram, if you ever watch this video, hi, I'm a big fan of yours. And if you don't know Hiram, he's a skincare like expert. You just go to his channel, Skin Hiram. If you type Hiram, you will get him, and I just love him. Yeah, so yeah, listening to him over the years has actually changed my skincare game. So nowadays I use less products, but those are effective ones. And yeah, I keep on changing my products depending on the need and mood of my skin. Also, I invest in high quality products. That however doesn't mean simple hyaluronic acid, like there is a Strauss Barbara, that hyaluronic acid is somewhat 30,000. Then you have L'Oreal hyaluronic acid, which is like a good range. So obviously I'll go for the L'Oreal ones, or there are a lot of other companies. Like baseless expenditure is something I hate about it, and that's why I feel a lot of you people watching this video needs to do a lot of research. Don't go for the tricks and tips like the more the price it is better. That thing, the price range has to be logical. So yeah, you can follow Hiram. Then we have a lot of Indian influencers like Shreya Jain, like Samapti Banerjee, many. I mean, if I start naming, there's a whole lot of list. Okay, these people are so much reliable. You can also learn from their videos. So yeah, moving about now, my eyes are done. I am pretty much satisfied with this. I hope you guys like can relate to the simple makeup. And I think the last thing I'll do is take this lip color, and this is actually a game changer. Okay, your lip color can be a game changer, guys. Trust me. It is Maybelline New York Sensational Liquid Matte in the shade 01, which is to the fullest. Okay, so this is got orange undertone, and honestly, if you want a pop-up on your face, and if you don't go for red for any such reason, you can definitely use this one. I just love it. I mean, it just instantly makes my face so bright. You'll get the point. Okay, so I just put a little bit. You see, it's like great pigmentation. Yeah. Okay, now wait. Yeah. It's just 3 drops, like 3 markings I did. Struggling to speak. Can you see the difference it made? And what about this thing? Yeah, I always like my blush to match the lip color, and honestly, investing in a blush is something which I don't find to be very logical, because you can use your lip tint as your blush, and it's a old hack. I mean, my mama used to do it even 15 years back. So yeah, so when she used to play dress up game with us, me and my sisters. So yeah, that is pretty much it. And I think this much is what I can do about my looks. And there is a lot of stuff you can do. You can do contouring, you can do bronzing, but I always, like usual, I go for the natural hair, the natural skin, the natural way I look, because it has taken a lot of time, you guys, a lot of time, to accept yourself as the person you are. And I just don't want to let it go for any kind of for anybody. Okay, not even my weird temptation. Yeah, anytime I feel like I can do that. These are all temporary stuff, so I might, but right now I have accepted myself the way I am, and this is how I look. So this much I'm liking it. So I hope, guys, I like my look, you too liked it, and if you did, again, the drill, like, share and subscribe till I come back with my next video. Love you all. Mwah.